any fees payable after I've registered my company. There are no additional fees applicable after your company registration has been completed. However, there will be annual returns which your company needs to pay every year to CIPC. An annual return is the process of updating your company's information at CIPC and paying a fee to them in order to keep your business registered. This return needs to be filed at CIPC each year on the anniversary of your company's birthday. If your annual return is not filed, CIPC has the right to assume you are no longer actively using your company and therefore they may deregister it. Once again, company partners can assist you with filing this return, and we even offer a cost-effective maintenance plan to ensure your company stays active, as we will do the return for you each year. Number 9. Do I have to pay taxes if my company is not making any money? Once your company is registered, it receives its own income tax number. This income tax number needs to be registered at SARS, and a registered representative, who is the person appointed with full rights to act on behalf of the company, example one of the directors, who is also South African, is required to be registered as well. Now that you have an income tax number, your business is required by SARS to submit tax returns 3 times per year, whether the company is been trading or not. If your company is making zero income, you will still need to submit your returns as proof of zero income to SARS, as well as to avoid penalties. These returns include one IRP6 tax return in February, an IT14 return in July, and another IRP6 return in August each year. When you work through company partners, we'll take care of all of this. We have created a separate video where we discuss more detail around tax at SARS with the PTY. So please subscribe to our channel for more great content and make sure you check out our PTY information video. If you want to stay up to date with what happens in South Africa's world of compliance, remember to click that bell button as well and get notified of our weekly new releases aimed to help your business grow. Okay, next question, number 10. How can I register a closed corporation, CC, or get a CK document? If you already have an existing CC company, you may continue to use it. However, one cannot register for CK documents, a CC, or a closed corporation anymore. Closed corporations are no longer allowed to be registered at CIPC. Up to 2010, you could register a CC or a private company. Under the Companies Act of 2008, these two company formats were merged, and only a PTY company format have been registered since. If you desperately need a CC for a specific reason, we are able to assist with a CC shelf company, so just give us a call. Number 11. What are the requirements and steps to register a PTY company? To register a company at CIPC through company partners, we only require your ID number and director's information from you. If you are a foreign national, we'll require a copy of your passport document as well. You can complete your registration within 3 easy steps at company partners. Step number 1, fulfill any requirements if applicable. Step number 2, payment. And lastly, number 3, complete the online information form. It's as simple as that. Number 12, what do I get when I register a PTY company? If you register your PTY with CIPC directly, you'll receive your company registration documents, including the details of your company along with your company income tax number registration. Should you choose to register your company with company partners, you will receive everything you get from CIPC and also receive free essential services for your company, such as business bank account, BE affidavit, tender assistance, website design, business training, and more. We also offer special discounted packages if you need to register a business that is fully compliant in a specific industry. For example, a construction package, which is all-inclusive of everything you'll need to start a construction company. Number 13. Is it necessary to have my company registered if I want to apply for tenders? Having a registered company will not give you an unfair advantage in winning a tender. However, it is a standard requirement just to apply for any tender. If you're on a tight deadline to apply for a tender or contract, as mentioned previously, there's also a pre-registered shelf company which you can purchase with multiple compliance certificates included. This is perfect when applying for urgent tenders or contracts. So check out the links below to watch our video on everything you need to know about shelf companies. Number 14. At which governing bodies are company partners registered? Company partners are registered with CIDA, SAIT, SABR, and the Institute of Directors. If you decide the PTY format is best for your business, then use company registration specialists like company partners for a simple and easy company registration service. Our experienced business specialists will ensure all your company registration admin is done perfectly based on what your business needs. Our consultation is free, but to do the services for you, we do charge a fee, saving you time and effort, allowing you to focus on your business. Our service allows you to receive your company documents within 24 hours of us receiving the requirements from you, and all you need is your ID number. We can register your business anywhere in SA online. And because we are passionate about helping entrepreneurs, we also include free startup growth training and more. Well, there you have it. We hope that we've answered all your questions about the PTY company registration process in South Africa. If you're ready to register a company now, you will also receive a bunch of those extra free essential services for your startup, like the bank account, BE affidavit, website design, and much more. If you are in urgent need of a company with compliance certificates, our shelf company format will be the best option for you. If you're planning to register a PTY, don't forget to check out our PTY info video as well, so you cover all your bases. We've linked everything for you clearly in the description below. Or if you have more questions, you're welcome to call us toll-free on 0800 007 269 to speak to a company registration specialist today. Remember, company partners are your partners to help you start and grow your business into a success story. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let us know what you think in the comments below.